Happy Teacher's Day! If you feed a man with a fish, you feed him for one day. But if you teach a man how to fish, you feed him for his lifetime. That's the role of our great teachers. Wish you all a happy Teacher's Day. The annual celebration of Teachers' Day takes place on September 5 in India, but the World Teachers' Day is celebrated after a month on October 5. Do you know why? Teachers' Day marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the first Vice President and second President of India. He was a great philosopher and scholar. When Dr. Radhakrishnan became the President of India, he was visited by a few students with a request to celebrate his birthday on September 5. However, he suggested that the students dedicate the day to teachers. Thus, September 5 is started being observed as Teachers' Day in India. Happy Teachers' Day!